Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit Triller videos. So as you can see here, I have the Triller video already done. So you can see on the left hand side I've got like 3 separate clips, and if you want to know like how to make a Triller video, I've got a separate video on that. In this video I'm just going to be explaining how to edit it. So if you do want to do things like add filters, change the speed, or like things like that, you will need to do that while filming the video. So that's going to be in the how to make a Triller video there. I'll leave a link to that in the description if you want that. But as you can see here, if you want to go in to edit the video, you're going to want to click next in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll see like it has like a video already here that you can kind of play, and it has its own order. Like this, it will just make the order up, and then if you haven't got a video long enough, it will just shuffle it together randomly. You can just click a shuffle again if you don't like the order. That's one of the things you could do, and then like change the order of the clip up, etc. like that. But if you want to like edit it like manually yourself, you're gonna want to go to the bottom of the screen where you see there's 3 different things there. You see I've got like a fire extinguisher one, a fire blanket, then another one. You can, if you want to like switch them in, like if you want to switch to start, you want to click to the start of the video. For instance, for this one, then you want to change it to the clip that you want. As you can see there, the fire extinguisher one goes to the start, and then you can do that for any point in the video. It's usually halfway through the video there. You can change that one around, so like the fire blanket, etc. So that's an example of how you do it with each of them. Like I said, if you do want to do things like add filters, etc., you will need to do that back in there. And once you've done with that, you want to click share on the top right hand corner once you've finished editing, and that's how you do it. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Triller app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.